I'm Sky Champion, let's hit the streets. Spring break 2025, we bring the heat. From Fort Lauderdale to Miami's scene. Rides, stunts, and vibes. Living the dream. For all things motorcycles, it's on.
All right.
Are you right, motherfucker?
Yes. Power moto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
Mamacita. Oh shit. That's right. Skills, baby.
We've made it to the playpen and it's time to crank it up.
Going inside. All right. Good one, buddy. Okay. I don't know if this is going to make YouTube.
Wildriderz is taking over with dropping stunts. Wheelies. Burnouts and all action you crave.
Nobody knows. It's Lumpy Stunts on Power Moto.
Huge shout out to Sliding Never Hiding for putting this epic event together. The stunts are insane, the ladies are stunning, and the vibe is untouchable. This is where the real action happens. Let's dive into the madness. Inside Playpen 2, the energy's electric. Ladies dancing, vibes so dynamic and eclectic. And there's one standout moment. A photo shoot so fly. A lady on the bike catching every single eye. Her style's on fire, confidence unmatched. With every turn and pose, she's totally dispatched.
Oh yeah, we got it. Qué bonita, bésame, bésame, bésame mucho. Yeah. Oh, gracias, mi amor, gracias. All right, she's on Power Moto YouTube right now. Okay, don't take out the camera, man. Good job, buddy. Is that a 600? Got you. Yeah, it's a 600. See? Nothing. Get a real bike and give me a call. Stunts. He's bringing the stunts, he's bringing the heat, he's bringing it down. The bike is up ripping the sheeta. It's blowing smoke everywhere. Check that bike out. It's well designed. It's back from Harley Davidson at Daytona Beach. It's Sloppy Stunts on Power Moto. Right now in front of the bike. That's right! That's right! She's on YouTube right now on Power Moto! Sounds like a tractor, but he's making the move. That's right. Skills, baby. Round and round he goes. Where he stops, nobody knows. This puppy starts up now with no down. Look at the burn-out city right here. He's bringing it. That's right. Tractor City, but he's got the shot. It's a competition to see who can manage their bike at slow speed. All right, let's see who wins the $25 challenge. They're gonna keep their bikes on slow speed. There he comes, the winner. That guy's got skill. That guy's got skill. Take your scooters home. Ah! Yeah!
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. It's understood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Now I'm good.
Okay, I give her A+ for trying. Good job, girl. She's on the Green Ninja. She's on Kawamoto. He does the burnout.
Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I got.
And that's a wrap from Playpen 2, where the action was non-stop. Wildriderz brought the heat with insane stunts, and Sliding Never Hiding nailed it with the epic event. Thanks for riding with us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. The adventure's far from over. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, keep it sliding, keep it riding, and always stay wild. Sky Champion out.
I lost my soul. It's on the run.
Are you guys having a good time at spring break? You're on YouTube right now on Kawamoto. Blow a kiss, you are beautiful. Blow a kiss, you are beautiful. Dance in front of the bike, get $100. Hey.
I get $100 if I dance. I'll go here.
Not today.
Not today.
Follow me, POWA Moto.
Okay.
I'll make it 150. Hit me up.
Okay.
POWA Moto. There you go. Gosh, see you go. There you go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!